What's up everybody, it is Colin here, and in this video I'm going to show you the right way to set up the RedTrack link tracking software. So I've used it in a couple of my videos and I got a lot of questions on how to exactly set it up. So in this video I'm going to show you everything you need to know to set it up perfectly. So I am logged into RedTrack right now. If you are not using RedTrack yet, there is a link in the description for a 14-day free trial, no credit card required. So what we need to do is, first of all, we need to add the traffic source. So you go to traffic source and you add new, and then you go down, and you select Facebook. So what happens is it's going to put in the parameters automatically, which is great. So here you see Facebook, all good. Then we go to enter your network. So let's say you're working with Gotcha. You go through the list. I think I already saw it. Yeah, here it is, Gotcha. You edit it. So the post back and everything is already custom set. The click ID. So next time when you add Gotcha to your offer, it will show the right cake setup click ID. So you press save on that one and you go to the lender tab. So first of all, we're going to build the lender. So I have my ClickFunnels bridge page template open, and I'm going to not to edit this, I'm just going to use it as an example. So we're going to grab the URL, press new, and I'm going to call it test RedTrack lender 1. Paste in the URL, there it is, and then we press save. Before we leave this, we have to reopen it and we have to grab the click URL, which is important. Then we go to the offer tab. The click URL goes in the quiz at the end. So what I use for my sweepstakes is I use the quiz funnel as the bridge page for my Facebook ads and Instagram ads. And then I open the quiz and I paste the outcome at the end of the quiz. It says your offer link here, but there goes the click URL, replace with tracking domain. So this would be colinbuilds.com, and make sure your tracker has SSL on it. Then you press save, but we're not done. There's another part, which is the no redirect script. So you're just going to open the tracking code section and you're going to leave it here. So for all the other bridge page softwares, it has to go in the head section or in the body tag. So the offer, you are going to add the offer. So this is going to be test RedTrack offer 1, payout $1, network, Gotcha. See, so you add the network. Then it says offer link. So this is what you take away, and then you insert your offer URL there, and then you do save and close. All right, so it actually needs a URL, but I don't have one right now. So hopefully I can do it like this. Does that work? Interesting. Or I need to actually log in and can get a Gotcha. No, there we go. It had just needed the HTTP. All right, all good. So we go to campaign, and this is basically where the setup happens, yeah? So you press new, test, RedTrack, YouTube video. All right, so from the source, you select Facebook. The domain is going to be the custom domain you set up. So before you can do any of this, you need to set up a custom domain, and you just go to the help section and they tell you exactly how to do it. So you press on lender, select the lender, test RedTrack, select the offer, test RedTrack offer 1, there we go. Press save and it will populate the no redirect script. So don't be confused, you don't use this click URL. This click URL will trigger redirects, and that's not what we want. So we use the pixel, basically meaning this script, the no redirect script, and the click URL from the landing page tab. So you put it in here, you press save, and that's it, all done. So the no redirect script works with the click URL from the lender tab, and this click URL is for the redirects. You don't really want to use that with Facebook ads. So what's important is what I did not show you in this video. Set up the domain, you just go to the help section and then you do knowledge base. Well, I can do it right now. And then you do, I think you do custom or just type domain, and you will see a custom domain, see custom tracking domain. That's it. follow this guide on how to set up. Look, they actually with screenshots and everything on exactly how to do it. And then you put an SSL certificate, so it has the lock, so it's secure, the information. And then you just do the setup as I did, but you do it with your funnel building software. So if you use this, my bridge page template funnel, so if you're in my Facebook group, you can get this for free. If you're using this, you know exactly how to do it. If you use a different software, you have to figure it out where to put the exact code. But usually it's in the header tag, footer tag, body tag, whatever you want, whatever works best. Just take into consideration the loading speed. The click URL on the end of the quiz is important because that is the way it's going to track everything and push them to the right offer. So basically that was the entire setup. What is important that in the parameter section of Facebook on the ad level, so if you're on the ad level, you scroll all the way to the bottom, you can enter these. Sub ID 1 is the campaign name, sub ID 2 is the ad set name, and the sub ID 3 is the ad name. So when you go to your campaigns and you open one campaign, you open, oh, you have to click report, I guess, yeah. Then you group by, and then you go down and you do the sub IDs. So this is a push traffic campaign, so the sub IDs look a little different. But for Facebook, it would say, well, I can actually grab a Facebook campaign for you guys. And then it would say source placement. So this is ad set ID, here it is, ad set name and campaign name. So I changed it to 6, 7, and 8 on this one. And let's say I want to know the ad set names. I press 7 and I click run. And then I will see the clicks, the landing page views, the conversions, CTR, revenue, ROI, all per ad set name on which specific date. So if you have any questions about RedTrack, feel free to post them in the comments below and I'll try to do my best and answer them as soon as possible. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.